welcome to my channel Rowdy Education. So today's topic is human circulatory system. तो आज हम इस टॉपिक में बहुत सी चीज़ें पढ़ेंगे ह्यूमन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम के बारे में और उसके कई फंक्शंस के बारे में जानेंगे. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द सिस्टम इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, nutrients, water and remove the waste product in our body. यह एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जो ऑक्सीजन, न्यूट्रिएंट्स, वाटर और वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट को ट्रांसफ़र करता है और वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट को बाहर निकालता है हमारी बॉडी से. इट इज़ एन ऑर्गन सिस्टम विच सर्कुलेट्स ब्लड थ्रू अ नेटवर्क ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स. रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट, नेटवर्क ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स. Now, as you can see the following matter on your screen. In this matter, the circulatory system is divided into three parts: blood, the heart, and the blood vessels. Now, the blood vessels are also divided into three parts: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Now, we will detail study of the blood. Red colored fluid flowing inside the blood vessels. Red colored fluid flowing inside the blood vessels. It is made up of plasma and blood cell. Remember this point. It is made up of plasma and the blood cell. Do you know what is plasma and the plasma therapy which is used in coronavirus? So I will tell you this answer. Plasma is the 55% of blood and blood cell are the 45% of blood. Plasma, it is a fluid part of blood that carries nutrients and waste product. Antibodies are present in plasma. Remember, antibodies are present in plasma. The plasma is also used in coronavirus. The patients who have already got coronavirus and fighted with coronavirus, their plasma has been taken and transferred to the patients who are fighting from coronavirus. Because antibodies are present in their plasma which help them to fight against the coronavirus. But plasma therapy is not 100% successful treatment of epidemic coronavirus. ठीक है गाइस, अब तक जो भी मैंने आपको समझाया वो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. तो आगे हम ब्लड सेल पे चलते हैं. As you can see that blood cells are divided into three parts. Red blood cell means RBC, and you can see the white dot are the white blood cell means WBC, and the star ones you can see are the platelets. Okay, now we will briefly study about the red blood cell. Do you know why red blood cells are red in color? So I will tell you. They are red due to presence of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a type of red colored pigment which is made up of iron and protein. Hemoglobin is the carrier of oxygen. मतलब ऑक्सीजन का कूली कह सकते हैं हम एक तरह से. You know where RBCs are produced? So I will tell you. The RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. And the life cycle of one RBC is 120 days. Okay? Now do you understand all the things? Now we will briefly study about WBC. Means white blood cell. Now the following picture on your screen is the WBC. They play an important role in fighting infection and germs. The life cycle of WBC is 15 to 20 days. They are produced in bone marrow and lymph. The increase of WBC will lead to blood cancer, and our favorite superstar Rishi Kapoor was also died due to this blood cancer. Now let's study about platelets. They help in clotting of blood whenever there is an injury. Thus, they prevent loss of blood from the body. आपने कभी नोटिस किया है कि कभी भी आपके कहीं चोट लग जाती है और बहुत खून आता है, लेकिन वो खून बाद में क्यों रुक जाता है? सोचा है कभी? नहीं, ऑब्वियसली हमारे खून में प्लेटलेट्स होते हैं, जिनकी वजह से हमारे अंदर से निकलने वाला ब्लड रुक जाता है और हमारे अंदर से ज़्यादा ब्लड नहीं आता। And in dengue fever, the platelets are decreased. To increase platelets, we should eat kiwi, but I do not eat. So friends, now I will tell you some important facts about blood. An average adult has 5 to 6 liters of blood. Do you know the 7% of your body weight is your blood only? Exciting, na? pH value of blood is 7.5. Approximate means basic nature. Now I will tell you this in Hindi. इसका मतलब है ब्लड एसिड नहीं होता, एक बेस होता है. So friends, you can see a CBC test on your screen. CBC means test used to determine health status. इस CBC टेस्ट में हमारे ब्लड के सारे सेल्स और इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. तो चलिए, मैंने आपको अभी CBC बताया, ठीक है, लेकिन आपने अभी सोचा 1 मिनट को कि CBC की फुल फॉर्म क्या होती है? नहीं. तो CBC की फुल फॉर्म होती है कंप्लीट ब्लड काउंट. तो आपके सामने एक CBC की रिपोर्ट है, जिसमें आप RBC देख सकते हैं, WBC देख सकते हैं एंड प्लेटलेट्स काउंट देख सकते हैं एंड हीमोग्लोबिन. Okay friends, so now I will tell you the main functions of blood. It transport of nutrients, oxygen to all parts of the body. Mark this, nutrients and oxygen. Regulates the body temperature. It regulates the body temperature, okay? Transport waste product to excretory organ for removal from the body. I have told you this in the starting also. It protects the body from infection and germs, helps blood clotting and prevents the blood loss. This is platelets, as we all know.
पूरी बात खत्म है.
So friends, अब हम हार्ट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Heart is a muscular pumping organ. It is located in the chest cavity slightly towards the left. ये हमारी चेस्ट के लेफ्ट में होता है. Adult human heart is about size of a fist. It protects by the rib cage. अब हम सबको तो यही पता है कि हार्ट रिब केज के पीछे होता है, ताकि ये हमारे रिब केज हमारे हार्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. So now I will tell you the structure of heart. The heart is built like double-story house with 2 chambers in each story. Upper side are right and left auricle. Lower side are right and left ventricle. Okay? There is a tricuspid valve in between the right auricle and right ventricle. And there is a mitral valve in between the left auricle and left ventricle. There is a pulmonary valve in an pulmonary artery and aorta valve in the aorta. Okay? Now we will observe the functioning of heart through this picture. The impure blood from the body parts come through the vena cava to the right atrium, and when the valve open, tricuspid valve open, the impure blood go to the right ventricle, and when the pulmonary valve open, it go through the pulmonary artery to the lungs, and the deoxygenated blood oxygenated in the lungs and then come through the pulmonary vein to the left atrium. And when the mitral valve open, the blood come to the left ventricle. And remember, this is the oxygenated blood. And when the aortic valve open, the blood goes through the aorta to the other parts of the body. So the question in your mind is, what is aorta? Now I will tell you. Aorta is a primary artery that supplies oxygenated blood to whole body. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava are the primary veins that carry deoxygenated blood from the whole body to the heart. Okay, now do you understand this thing? Do you know the actual sound of the heart? So I will tell. The actual sound of the heart is love dove. So I will tell you what is the sound love dove. When the mitral and tricuspid valve closed, there is a sound love. And when the aortic and pulmonary valve closed, there is a sound dove. So the both sound are love dove. Okay, do you understand this thing? Now we will go further on. Anytime anyone you have asked you a question that in a minute how many times heartbeat are done, you answered 72. Okay, I understand 72. So how the heartbeat is in whole day? Can you answer me? Use calculator or you can pause the video. So I will tell you, approximately 1 lakh times heartbeat in a day. Do you know from which muscle heart is made up of? So I will tell. The heart is made up of cardiac muscle. And the specialist of heart is known as cardiologist. He is a doctor that checks our heart. ECG electrocardiogram is a checkup or check that is performed by cardiologist of our heart. और कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट ईसीजी के थ्रू हमारे हार्ट को चेक करते हैं. ठीक है. Okay friends, now the third part of circulatory system are the blood vessels. Now we will briefly study about the blood vessels. As I told you in the starting that the blood vessels have three parts: arteries, veins and capillaries. Now we will differentiate between the arteries and veins. As you can see the picture on your screen, the red color tube is the artery and the blue color tube is the vein. Arteries carry pure and oxygenated blood from the heart to the parts of body. But vein carry impure and deoxygenated blood from the body parts to the heart. Do you know which artery carry impure blood and vein carry pure blood? Think. Do you think the answer? So the answer is pulmonary artery and the pulmonary vein. Is it true? Yeah. There are thick and elastic walls in arteries, whereas the veins have thinner walls than arteries. Arteries don't have valves, whereas veins have valves. So because the valve have to prevent the backward flow. But the blood in arteries flow through the pumping of heart. In veins there are contraction and relaxation to move the blood. Arteries are deep under the muscles, while the veins are superficial under the skin. Except wrist and neck. क्या आपको पता है कि डॉक्टर्स हमारे नेक और रिस्ट में ही ब्लड का वो चेक प्रेशर क्यों चेक करते हैं या हार्ट की पंपिंग क्यों चेक करते हैं? क्योंकि हमारे रिस्ट और नेक में आर्टरीज कम गहराई पे होती हैं, इसलिए ही डॉक्टर्स हमारे रिस्ट में या नेक में हैंड लगा के चेक करते हैं. The arteries get empty after death, whereas the veins have blood after death. And these blood vessels, you can see, these are capillaries. Now I will tell you about the capillaries. Capillaries are very thin blood vessels A network of capillaries forms the connection between the arteries and the veins near a tissue. Do you understand? No, so I will tell you in Hindi. ये कैपिलरीज आर्टरीज और वेन्स को जोड़ने वाली कुछ छोटी छोटी ट्यूब्स होती हैं. आप देख सकते हैं कि कितनी पतली पतली आर्टरीज हैं और पतली पतली वेन्स हैं. तो ये वेन्स और आर्टरीज को जोड़ने वाली छोटी छोटी ट्यूब्स होती हैं. अब आ गया ना समझ में? So yes. If you want to make your body fit and healthy, then do the following step. Practicing deep breathing exercises, doing pranayam, doing some physical exercises such as swimming and walking, maintaining a healthy eating habit, avoiding junk food. लॉकडाउन में कहीं जंक फूड मिल भी नहीं रहा है. Taking proper rest and sleep, performing simple asanas. Okay? You can also follow the Baba Ramdev Asan. Okay? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And also, if you have any query, you can ask in comment section. Comment section.